Imagine a therapy that doesn't just make you feel younger, but rejuvenate every cell in your body, enhancing your vision, muscle, and even your skin. All your blood cells originate from hematopoietic stem cells, which are basically protected deep within your bone marrow. As you age, so is your HSCs, affecting the blood they produce. This leads to increased fatigue, more bruising, less healing, and a weakened immune system, eventually contributing to mortality. At HexemBio, we've developed a synthetic bone marrow niche that rejuvenates these aging stem cells, effectively turning back the clock on their function. This innovation has been featured in Nature and the New York Times. Rejuvenated blood cells enhance oxygen and nutrients transport across the body, boost your immunity response, and improve healing throughout the body. Beyond just anti-aging, our therapy has the potential to treat and possibly cure various rare blood diseases. At HexemBio, we are recoding early human blood development for longevity.